Here's a nice car just in time for summer. 1965 Ford Mustang Convertible. This is a C code car. 289 V8 underneath the hood. This is an earlier build too. October of 64 is actually when this car was built. So one of the earlier Mustangs, but still considered a 65. This car originally would have been poppy red, which of course was what we'd probably call orange. Now, as you can see, red. Nice paint job on this one too. As you can see, it's got a nice shine to it. Definitely a nice driver quality paint, if not a little nicer. Bright work also. Bumpers, grill, in nice shape on this car. Equipped with power brakes. Teamed up with that V8 289 engine underneath the hood. Automatic transmission. Does have the original interior color that it would have came with, which would have been a standard black vinyl. You can check out the still pictures so you can see the convertible top, the interior under the hood. Check out the still pictures of this car at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video there's a link. You can click on that. That'll take you right there. Number to reach us at 507-386-1726. And we can sure assist you with any questions that you may have on this car. Zip down the sides of it. Straight car. Take a peek at this interior. So there's your automatic on the floor. Dash and everything. Pretty much stock. Standard the way it would have came with. Has had a little center console, armrest, cup holder added in there. It'd be very handy in this car, which would not have come with one of those. And as you can see, the vinyl front and rear seats also in nice shape. Stock looking wheel. Pull those keys out of the trunk. I was just in there taking the pictures for you. I'm going to need that when we start it here shortly, so we'll fire up that 289 so you can hear it run. Now this car does have seat belts, and as you can see, backup lights. Not positive if that was standard. I don't believe so in these early ones. Now we do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course we can sure assist you with getting this car transported to where you're located at. So obviously the dual exhaust coming out the rear. Once again, feel free to check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Below this video, you're going to see a link down in the description there. Click on it. It'll take you right to us and the still pictures on our website. Call 507-386-1726. Any questions you may have. The car was originally delivered to Louisville. You can see that DSO code on the door tag and the VIN and all the other codes I'm kind of talking about with the color and the interior. That will be in the still pictures also, so if you want to check that out, see it for yourself. So we're right down here, and like I said, pictured in the still pictures. Door panels. Interior, take a little closer look. Again, very stock looking like it would have came. Black vinyl. Let's go ahead and fire this one up so you can hear it run. Grab the ignition key. Alright. As you can see here too, alternator, which would indicate an early build. Great sounding 289, nice little rumble to it, deep throaty sound. You're off the high idle there. See a little later model aftermarket stereo has been added. Fits in nicely, looks good. Check out the rest of the dash. Like I said, automatic down there on the floor. Like I said, great sounding 289. Listen to that. I'm going to slip up to the front and let's take a look underneath the hood. Check out that V8. All right, here we go. C-code cars, like I said, 289. V8 underneath here, done up nice. Little chrome dress up there. Ford blue engine, of course. Power brakes. Smooth and running 289, as you can see. There you have it. 1965 Ford Mustang Convertible. Early build. Red, black interior, black top. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. Unique classic cars. This is where you can find the still pictures at. You want to look it over closer? Of course, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist you with getting this pony transported to where you're located at. Give us a call.